countryside. American countryside, rural, traditional, regional, food styles, and classic dishes. These reflect how people in rural agrarian frontier settings developed and sustained food traditions over generations. You can mix and adapt them depending on region, season, resources, and local ingredients. What defines countryside or rural American food? These common traits often appear in countryside cooking. Use of locally available ingredients: corn, beans, squash, wild game, home-raised animals, garden vegetables, dairy. Preservation and making do: canning, smoking, curing, pickling. One-pot or communal meals: stews, casseroles, skillets. Hearty, filling, comfort-oriented. Regional variations based on climate, immigrant influence, and indigenous ingredients. Rural American cooking is not monolithic. It differs greatly by region: South, Midwest, Appalachia, Southwest, New England, etc.
There's a man in the shadows, leaning on the pine. A cigarette burns slow, like the ticking of time.
Across America's kitchens and cook fires, every region has crafted its own food story, rooted in the land, shaped by history, and carried forward with tradition. In the southern heartlands and Appalachia, food is comfort and resilience. Cornbread comes hot from the skillet, pork and beans stretch across the table, and collard greens simmer low and slow. The famous meat and three meal, one hearty cut of meat with 3 soulful sides, defines the spirit, while biscuits and gravy anchor mornings with rich simplicity. Preservation, frying, and slow cooking are the timeless techniques that keep these flavors alive. Head westward to the frontier and the wide plains, where hearty sustenance powered pioneers through rugged landscapes. Beef, wheat, corn, and potatoes filled casseroles, hot dishes, and roasts, with dairy lending richness to soups and stews. This is food built for endurance, nourishing, filling, and unpretentious. The Southwest and Western frontier turned fire into flavor, with chili peppers, beans, lamb, goat, and wild game roasting over adobe ovens or open flames. Here, Tex-Mex traditions were born: smoky chili con carne, one-pot beans, and grilled meats that celebrated both native and Mexican roots, fusing cultures into a bold, spicy cuisine. Up in the New England and northeastern coast, the sea shaped the plate. Lobster, clams, and cod met creamy dairy and root vegetables in iconic chowders and stews. Maple syrup sweetened life through long winters, while apple-based desserts became the home-style treats that warmed families and celebrations alike. In the rugged Ozarks and Southern Highlands, survival cooking became an art of ingenuity. Venison, wild turkey, and foraged greens mixed with corn and beans in mountain stews. Frying and preserving transformed simple ingredients into sustaining mountain fare, rich in heritage and resourcefulness. And in the pioneer kitchens of early Florida and the frontier, nothing was wasted. Crackers, hunters, and settlers relied on pork, fish, wild game, and whatever could be foraged. Their cuisine was minimalist yet deeply clever, born of necessity, shaping a rustic food tradition that carried the frontier spirit of independence. Each of these traditions, whether Southern, Northeastern, Western, or frontier, reflects more than ingredients. They tell the story of people, their struggles, their celebrations, and their ability to turn the land's bounty into meals that define American identity. Thank you for watching and listening.